Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to short on the KuCoin mobile application. It's really simple and easy. First of all, you have to, of course, open up the KuCoin mobile application, and this is the home screen. Now, in this home screen, what we are going to do is we have to click on this futures option. You can see this arrow option in the bottom, which is the third from the start. Just simply tap on it. So right here, we are in the futures option. So just quickly enable your contract. So let me show you what a short essentially is. Let me just explain a little bit about short. A short refers to when you are aiming for a currency or a crypto coin to depreciate, you short that crypto coin, which is basically, let's say on my research, assuming that this coin will is going to depreciate. So everyone who is put out a long trade for that coin and is hoping for the coin to appreciate will essentially lose that money, and you will gain that money because you are predicted right. That's what a short trade essentially is, and it happens in the future trading tab. Now in the future trading tab, in order to start a short trade, how do we short essentially is we are going to open this tab. Now as you can see, there is buy option or sell option. We are going to click on sell option. Now here, as you can see, the button says say sell slash short. You can just type in your quantity here, the quantity of Ethereum or quantity of any other coin that you have selected. Just type I'm going to do 2 Ethereum. So it comes out to a cost of 2433.97. So why? Because I have a 24x multiplier or set a leverage. I can go back to 1, and this is the amount, approximately $5,000 USDT. I can just click on sell or short. So, and then my order will be started. If I earn a profit, it's going to show me down here in my orders and my positions. And that's pretty much it. That's how you short. And when you feel like you made enough profit or you are losing, you can easily end that position and you can make money off that. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.